Hello children, welcome back. We have seen what is subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away a small number from a big number. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away a small number from a big number. The sign of subtraction is minus. The answer in subtraction is called difference. We have seen subtraction of one digit number from a one digit number. Okay? Now we will see subtraction of a one digit number from a two digit number. Subtraction of one digit number from a two digit number. Now we will mark this ones and tens column and start subtraction. You see, this is ones column, this is tens column. We always start subtraction from ones column. So similar to addition, we always start subtraction from ones column. Here, take the small number in your mind. 4. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7. Stop when you get the big number. 5, 6, 7. How many fingers you got? 3. So what you will write the answer here? 3. Then you have in tens column. Now come to tens column. In tens column, you have only one number, 1. There is no number to be subtracted. So we write the same number directly. So the answer is 1, 3, 13. The difference is 1, 3, 13. 17 minus 4 is 13. Okay children? 17 minus 4 is 13. Coming to the second sum. Mark here also ones column, tens column. We always start subtraction from ones column. So take the smaller number. Here 5 is a smaller number in your mind. Count after 5, 6 till you get this big number. How many fingers did you get? 1. 1. Answer is 1 here in the ones column. The next in tens column we have 2 and there is nothing to be subtracted, so bring down the number directly. Answer is 2, 1, 21. So the difference of 26 and 5 is 21. The next, mark the ones column, tens column. What is the small number here? 4. So 4 in your mind. Count after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop till you get this big number. How many fingers did you get now? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you will write here in the ones column as? 4. Then next we come to tens column. There is nothing to be subtracted from 3. So we'll bring down the number directly 3 and write here 3, 4, 34. 38 minus 4 is 34. Okay children? Now here. Now mark the ones column, tens column. What are the numbers we have here? 3 minus 1. One other rule. When you subtract 1 from any number, you get the before number. So when you subtract 1 from 3, what is the before number of 3? Before number of 3 is 2. Okay? Or else you can do like this also. Keep one in your mind. Count after 1, 2, 3. How many fingers you got? Same 2. So directly when you subtract 1 from any number, you get the before number. Okay? In tens column, 8 is only left. So there is nothing to be subtracted. So bring down the 8 directly and the answer is, or the difference is 8 to 82. The next here, ones column, tens column. We always start subtraction from ones column. When you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. There is no need to carry. That is the rule. When you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. So write 2 directly and this 7 here in tens column. So the answer is 72 minus 0 is 72. So when you subtract 0 from any number, let's take this 2-digit number here again. When you subtract 0 from 72, you get the same number. Or if you calculate from ones column is 2 minus 0 is again 2. Then bring down the 7 here, 72. Okay? Then next, mark ones column, tens column, start subtraction from ones column. So when you subtract any number from itself or any number from the same number, you get 0. What do you get? 0. Now coming to the tens column, 9. There is nothing to be subtracted. Bring down the number 9. 9, 0, 90. 98 minus 8 is 90, 90. Clear, children? So subtraction is taking away a smaller number from a bigger number. When you subtract 1 from any number, you get the before number. When you subtract 0 from any number, you get the same number. And when you subtract any number from itself, you get the answer 0. That is 8 minus 8, 0. This is subtraction. The terms in subtraction are, the big number is called minuend, smaller number is called subtrahend, and the answer is called difference. So we have finished subtraction of a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Similar to addition, we always start subtraction from ones column. Okay, then go to the tens column. Understood? Clear, children? Bye.